Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can use your old braiding hair to get you a nice bomb ponytail like this real quick and easy. So I'm starting off by using a tail comb, and I'm using that to just loosen the ends of the braid, and then I'm gonna, as I reach further out the braid, I'll be using my fingers to continue pulling out the braid. I take out the braids one by one like this, and I keep them flat and keep them organized, and then I stack them on each other, and then I'm gonna put a scrunchie on them before I do the washing. So I already did a video sharing with you guys how I shampooed my braiding hair for reuse, so you guys can just click the iCards to see the detailed video on that. So my hair is freshly shampooed, and now I'm just going in with my blow dryer and doing the tension method on my hair. And I didn't do it completely straight this time. I should have gone in a bit more with my blow dryer and really stretched it a bit more. But yeah, I just couldn't bother, so I just barely detangled my hair. So you guys might need to stretch your hair more depending on the thickness of your hair if you want to, so that it's easier when you're putting it up in a ponytail. And to put my hair up in a ponytail is pretty much the same thing that I always do, and I'm using for the ponytail the Gorilla Snot gel, which is the gel that I use most of the times. So now when I have the hair up in a ponytail, I just went ahead and I plait the ends of it. Normally I would tuck it under when I plait it, but this time I will not be tucking it under, because this time I'll be doing a different method to apply the hairs to my natural hair. I had 4.5 packs of Outre soft jumbo braiding hair in my hair. So when I took them out and I shampoo them, this is the amount of hair that I have. It's quite a lot of hair. So I did it in 3 sections. So I'll be only using 2 sections for my hair today. So when I'm applying the hair to my natural hair, I go in first and then I just wrap one bundle of the hair around my plait, right at the base. And now I'm going in with the second bundle of hair, and I'm putting that one about 1.5 inches away from the first one that's at the base of my hair. So now I have a third bundle, and I'm showing you guys that I do have more space on my plait where I could put that one, but I'm not going to put it in because it's too full. If the hair you're using is thinner than the hair I'm using, you can always add more to the plait all the way down to the end if you would wish to, but I do not wish to, so I'm just going to stop it right there. So I only needed 2 of the bundles because, like I said, it's like a lot of hair in my head. After that, I just went in and trimmed off the excess of the ends. And then I'm using my Aunt Jacky knot on my watch to just kind of lubricate the hair a little bit. So this is the finished results, guys. You get a beautiful and fluffy jumbo ponytail, so quick, so easy, and it's just a wonderful protective style. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you leave, and hit that notification bell, that way you will not miss any of my weekly videos. I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.